morning, guys. Everybody just woke up, including me, but right now I am making a breakfast, eggs, and then waffle is done. That's just a frozen waffle because I don't know how to make a homemade waffle and even pancake. I am not good at baking. Baking is not my thing. And then today we are going to have a busy day today because we're supposed to get a hurricane on Monday, so now people are getting crazy in the store, but I'm gonna try to get the stuff that we need, especially milk, those kind of stuff, and other food that we still can eat even there's no electricity. And then what else? I need candle and flashlight, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be that bad since we moved here in Georgia like a year ago. We always get like a hurricane warning, but it never like that bad. It's only like a little strong wind and heavy rain for like a day, and that's it. Yeah, but I just want to make sure that we're gonna be okay, especially it's just me and the kids. I want to make sure the kids will be will have all the things that we need, and we're gonna be comfortable, especially if the electricity is gonna be out, especially at night. I need light. I need flashlight and candle. We'll see if they still have a candle. I'm hoping still have a candle. And what else? Yeah, for now, because I always do a pick up grocery, but right now they don't have that service because of the hurricane warning, so I have to go to grocery store. I'm done. Okay, eat a little bit more. Okay. I'm done. You're done? Yeah. No, you eat a little bit more. Okay. No, not that one. Oh. The other one? Mm-hmm, the other one. Okay. This? Mm-hmm. No. No. You finish it. Huh? You finish that one. Okay. We're gonna do a really quick grocery shopping. Okay. We're not going to the gym. Okay, get in. Let's go get the small cart. Uh-oh, watch out. You're gonna get run over.
No, I ain't. I ain't gonna run him over. I'm not gonna take him home with me.
AJ, this way. This way. We're gonna go get the cart. You okay? Good job. Come on. Follow ate. Alright, so me and the kids are ready for our celebration. And this is our t-shirt, or my t-shirt. This is the name of our church, the Father's House. And my kids' t-shirt is this. Come here, AJ. And ate, come. So this is their t-shirt. There you go. So cute. And Alex, because they are going to perform tonight, because this is a 1-year anniversary of our church. So there you go. And we're gonna have a little bit of a celebration, kind of like a little bit of party, but we're just gonna wear t-shirt and jeans and my favorite sneakers. So yeah, and I'm gonna try to vlog when I get there, but I am not sure because I'm gonna be the photographer there, because We have like a photo booth there. All my film stuff is there. I left it there yesterday to set it up. So I am not sure if I'm going to, if I will be able to a vlog there, because I'm gonna be the camera woman there. So you make me rain. You make me rain. No fear can hinder all the promises you made. You make me rain. You make me rain. No fear can hinder all the love I've been away. Ask your love. And wave after wave crashes over me, crashes over me. For you are for us, you are not against us. Champion of heaven, you made a way. As your love and wave after wave. Guys, it's already midnight and the gang is still here. And this is our pastor, Chris, by the way. He's awesome.
Somebody watching this at midnight?
No, I'm vlogging.
Okay. Okay. Glad to make it to the vlog.
And we're just wrapping up our stuff here. This pastor is awesome. Alright guys, we just got home a couple minutes ago and it's all ready. Let's see. Ooh, it's almost 1 o'clock. It was a great night and the kids just went down to bed and now I'm just kind of like cleaning up a little bit, so and then I'm gonna get ready for bed too. It was good tonight. It was great. I need it. And yeah, so like this, it's 12:53 in the morning and I'm still wide awake because we were packing up our stuff in church and I was so tired, so I drink coffee and now I have so much energy. But finally the kids is already in bed and now I'm just gonna, hi Sissy, what's wrong? What's wrong? You miss mama? Come here, Sissy. Oh, you. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for bed too, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this vlog. If you did, please give me the thumbs up. And by the way, if you guys live in Augusta, Georgia, or you just moved here in Augusta, Georgia, and you're looking for church, go to, I'm inviting you to go to my church, the Father's house. And if you guys want to know the address, just comment down below. And yeah, and if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.